Good morning, everybody. Another hot day today in Trinidad. Is about 38 degrees, and we're getting ready. In about a week, we're going back to Canada for a couple months, so we're getting the boat ready. And as you know, when you're on the boat, laundry facilities, they're not available everywhere. So here is an environmental way to do your laundry. So we got a bucket, we put the clothes in, we have some I guess Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, I don't know, whatever laundry detergent you have, and then a plunger. So what's going to happen, we're going to fill up the bucket with the water. So here it is, we're filling up the bucket with water. Now, because the hose is outside in the sun, the water is really hot. So we don't even have to use hot water, it's already hot. So we're going to fill up the bucket. The machine now is full, so I'm going to add the detergent. So we have already the detergent ready. 1 cup, I'm going to put it inside. And I'm going to press the button so the washing cycle. So here's pressing the button, so the wash cycle is going to start. There it is. That's your washing cycle. So you wash it for about 10 minutes, 5 minutes. So now we have the rinse cycle. We'll put some water inside. So we're going to agitate it like that. So this is the rinse cycle, and now the laundry is over. So when the rinse cycle is done, we're going to drain it, squeeze it, and put it to dry. And finally, we got the last cycle from the washing machine to the dryer. There they are. Now they're drying out naturally by the sun. Also, the sun will kill any bacteria. Cheers, everybody. That's how we have sailing, environmentally living lifestyle. Cheers.